Breakthrough Families and Scholars. Welcome to Breakthrough Birmingham's Fall 2022 Open House. Our administrative team this school year is comprised of Ms. Miriam Michelle, our Executive Director, Ms. Claire Cole, our Program Manager, Ms. Lana Higgins, our Operations and Communications Assistant, and myself, Kristen Werbon, Program Coordinator. We have an amazing lineup of Fall Teaching Fellows, which include Ms. Lana, Ms. Jordan, Mr. Eric, Ms. Jenny, Ms. Kayla, Ms. Maddie, and Ms. Trinity. Please ensure that you join our Remind group so that you can stay updated and informed on our programs and activities. We have a Remind group for Code Club, 6th through 8th grade, and 9th through 12th grade. You will also receive communications from our BTB Helpline, which is 205-301-8882. Please be sure to save that to your contacts. We are also asking that you stop contact with our teaching fellows after 8 p.m. For this year's school year programs, we took care to ensure that our programs and activities align with our program priorities and expectations. Our program priorities are relationships, growth, and exposure. With relationships, we want our scholars to develop and maintain healthy and positive relationships with their peers, community, and teaching fellows. For exposure, we want to ensure that we are exposing our scholars to new people, places, things, and ideas. And with regards to growth, we want to ensure that our scholars not only see academic growth, but also social and emotional development growth. Our school year program this year will take place from September 24th through December 10th. September 24th is our kickoff Super Saturday, and December 10th is our closing Super Saturday. Some familiar programs that will take place this school year include Super Saturdays, Specials, Homework Help, Code Club, and College Bound Club. Super Saturdays will take place generally between 9:30 a.m. and 4 p.m. We will send you emails and texts with updated schedules. Specials this week will take place during Birmingham City Schools' intercession. That week we will offer programming Tuesday, October 4th, Wednesday, October 5th, and Thursday, October 6th. Homework Help will take place from 5:30 to 7:30 p.m., Mondays through Thursdays. Code Club will take place from 5:30 to 6:30 p.m. on Tuesdays, and College Bound Club will take place from 6 to 7:15 p.m. on Wednesdays. College Bound Club will take place bi-weekly Wednesdays, therefore it will take place every other Wednesday. Some new programs that we have taken place include Scholar Workshops, Culture Nights, and Family Workshops. Scholar Workshops will take place from 6 to 7:15 on Wednesday, October 19th and November 16th. Culture Nights will take place from 6 to 8 p.m. on Thursday, October 13th, November 10th, and December 1st. Family Workshops will take place from 6 to 7:30 p.m. on Thursday, September 29th and November 17th. For our in-person programs, we do expect that our scholars and families will confirm their attendance, especially for in-person programs where we will provide lunch or dinner. We do expect that our scholars will arrive 15 minutes early, especially for programs where scholars will be bused over to their program or activity. We expect that our scholars will respect our partners. Everywhere we go, we want to ensure that we are leaving our spaces better than we found them, and that we are respecting our speakers, hosts, or facilitators. We expect that scholars will actively participate in all activities and that they will not use their phones except to take photos. Most importantly, we expect that our scholars will have fun. Please note that masks are currently optional, however, that is subject to change. If you or your scholar are experiencing symptoms of illness, especially flu-like symptoms, or if you test positive for COVID, please do not join us for in-person activities. That is for your safety as well as ours. Our Super Saturdays this school year, we will have one each month in September, October, November, and December. In September, we will be at Oak Mountain State Park. In October, scholars will complete a community service project. In November, we will go see Black Panther Wakanda Forever in theaters. And in December, scholars will engage in an arts exploration activity. Our specials during intercession this week will kick off Tuesday, October 4th with a campus tour at Birmingham Southern College. However, this is not your average tour. Our scholars will have a chance to sit in on a class, hear from a professor, a student panel, as well as eat lunch in the campus dining hall. On Wednesday, October 5th, our scholars will get a behind-the-scenes look at how a business operates. And on Thursday, October 6th, we will close out intersession week by completing lab experiments at the McWane Science Center. Our new program, Culture Nights, is an opportunity for our scholars and families to learn more about the cultures and traditions that make Birmingham a melting pot. Join us on October 13th to learn about Hispanic culture, November 10th to learn more about Black culture, and December 1st to learn more about Jewish culture. Our new family workshops are an opportunity for our families to gather over dinner and learn more about ACAP testing and results and planning for college. Family workshops will take place on Thursday, September 29th and November 17th at the Birmingham Public Library main branch. For our virtual programs, we expect that our scholars will consistently attend, that their cameras will remain on, that they will sign on 5 minutes early, and that they will be in a distraction-free environment. Virtual programs this school year include homework help, code club, college bound club, and scholar workshops. For homework help this year, it will take place Mondays through Thursdays from 5:30 to 7:30. Scholars will have an opportunity to sign up for 30-minute time slots. They can receive support in humanities, which includes history, reading, writing, and English, and STEM, which includes math and science. We will also share a video that will show scholars how they can use Sign Up Genius to sign up for homework help. Code Club has been dubbed Code Club 2.0 for this school year. Our scholars will be building on last year's foundational concepts. It will take place on Tuesdays from 5:30 to 6:30 p.m., starting with orientation on September 27th and ending with a celebration on December 6th. College Bound is for our 9th through 12th grade scholars. It will be offered every other Wednesday from 6 to 7:15 p.m. For our 9th through 10th grade scholars, you want to ensure that they will be on track to complete college tasks once they become juniors and seniors, as well as ensuring that college is on their radar and that they understand the college process. For our 11th and 12th grade scholars, you want to ensure that they are completing college tasks such as writing personal statements, applying for scholarships, and preparing for or completing the FAFSA. All of these topics will be covered in College Bound. Our new scholar workshops will introduce our scholars to human, environmental, and civil rights and engage them in an examination of issues affecting communities of color. Supporting your scholar. Families can support their scholars this school year by encouraging them to take ownership. That can look like encouraging scholars to sign up for homework help, sign on early, and reach out to their teachers for extra practice or to complete an additional project if they want to increase their learning. Families, you can communicate with your scholar's teacher and counselor. You can reach out to your scholar's teacher just to talk about what your scholar may be struggling in or the areas they are excelling in, as well as reviewing your scholar's grades. We also recommend that you reach out to your 9th through 12th graders college counselor to gain access to their high school transcript at least once per academic year. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to us using our BTB helpline. That number again is 205-301-8882. You can also email us at btbinfo@breakthroughcollaborative.org. You can also find us on Facebook, Instagram, and online at our website. Thank you so much.